Okay, thank you, Leonardo and Gabriele, for that wonderful introduction. This is going to be quite a challenge, summarizing an entire year's experience in a few minutes, but I will give it my best. So it comes down to this. The MBA has been a dream for most of us before it even began, a dream that we all lived through during very turbulent times. However, it was a dream that we have all fulfilled, and today we stand here awakened and inspired only to dream bigger. 15 months have passed, and it feels like yesterday that we took the most important decision of our lives. And if you think about it, not much has changed. We continue to make big decisions. But today, there is a difference. We are far more prepared, better informed, and we have each built our reserve of knowledge against what's to come. The past year, we have transformed, personally and professionally. And without a doubt, Star Bocconi has been instrumental in this process. I would like to take this opportunity to thank few of many that altered our perceptions by reinforcing the values this institution stands by. I would like to thank Professor Gatti and Saroni for reaffirming their faith in financial integrity and ethical conduct. I would like to thank Professor Daveri and Giovazzi's fiery debates on the world macroeconomic environment that today so govern and impact our decisions. I would like to thank Professor Castellucci, who pushed us to think beyond our boundaries, in understanding ourselves, human behavior, in pursuing our ambition that truly defines who we are, and ultimately guiding us to becoming extraordinary managers. And finally, how can we forget the fun and the sound practicality of Professor Grando, where there is a solution beneath the surface of every problem. We just have to keep drilling down. So I guess what I'm trying to say is what we learned in those classrooms were not just lessons on management. They were in fact lessons on life that we will take with us forever. And then this experience would not have been complete without you. You wonderful, bright, eclectic people that made this experience unforgettable. The depth of knowledge and experience that we have shared together in those boxes, lunch at friends, coffee chats at Francisco's, and our several night outs together. Those interactions will be priceless and unforgettable, for we have created something far stronger than a network. We have created a bond of respect, friendship, and gratitude. Finally, a heartfelt thank you to all the families that are here today and those that were not able to make it. Thank you for believing in us and allowing us to live this dream. I thank Star Bocconi for empowering our minds with a more open one. Thank you and good luck.